Hello students, English shorthand 100 words per minute, ready for dictation. Discipline precisely means to act in life according to certain rules or norms of society. Discipline demands a strict control over man's sense of freedom, which, if unchecked, may bring disorder and anarchy in the normal life of a country. The basic animal instinct in man, lest it should prove harmful for society, must be checked by means of discipline. Nature is the best mirror of perfect discipline to all of us. Every object in nature moves accordingly and strictly regulated plan. One can easily notice a perfect order prevailing in the movement of the sun, the moon, and the other planets. Seasons change according to a certain plan. Rains do not precede summer, nor does spring precede winter. Tides in the ocean, crops in the fields, animals in the forest all follow a certain pattern which is extremely essential to sustain life. Nature thus provides us with a sense of orderly manner and places before us an ideal to be followed in our own life. Can we imagine how uncertain life would be if there were no order, no pattern in it? There is hardly any sphere of life in which the value of discipline is not realized sooner or later. Life in a house or an office just becomes a maze if a proper sense of discipline is not cultivated among its members. In our social life, we are expected to follow certain norms of behavior in order to maintain the smooth running of the social order. Without it, life gets upset and soon goes out of gear. People must demonstrate a sense of discipline even in small things like boarding buses and trains, buying cinema tickets or vegetables. Discipline is necessary both for the teacher and the taught. A good teacher has a great responsibility of keeping a high image of his personality in society. This he cannot do unless he maintains an intellectual and moral discipline of a high order. No student will obey and respect an indisciplined teacher, howsoever high may be his knowledge and scholarship. Similarly, only a serious and self disciplined student achieves something worth the name in life. Indisciplined students just wander here and there, waste away their precious time and energy in useless activities, and later on repent in life. They soon learn that there is no shortcut to success. It is only through hard work and self discipline. Thank you, students. Best of luck for your examinations.